HydraForce is a great place to work, great place to learn, and great place to progress. Lots of opportunities. We have over 100 nationalities working here, and somehow we all get along and we like each other. Having the opportunity to always be trained and to learn on top of the classes that were offered here in HydraForce, because we did have English classes offered by HydraForce during the work hours, so that was very helpful. That helped me. You have this feel of accomplishment. Oh my gosh, you see lift truck out on the street, and this is what I do, if I'm on an assembly line, or this is the drawing that I released for. And I was telling my kids one day, this huge machine, and I said, this is what mommy's, doing. This is what mommy's doing. This is what mommy's work is doing, designing these hydraulic valves that are actually make this thing go. So it's good. I'm Agnieszka and I've worked for HydraForce for over 20 years, and I'm very happy. It was the best decision I've made in my life.